Alright, so walking outside right now. Going to the car. That's the car right there. See my shadow? I did notice this morning is got this crack in the windshield. Don't know how many inches that is, but I did call Safe Light Auto Glass, aka Technoglass, because they merge companies. So they're going to come out tomorrow while I am at work, and they are going to attempt to fix it. But I don't know if it's going to be possible because they can't fix a crack longer than 6 inches, and I don't know if it's longer than 6 inches because I could measure it if I wanted to, but who has time to measure stuff? So as of right now, that crack to me from here looks less than 6 inches. But we shall see. And the car started. About ready to go to work. Get that shit done tonight. Switch freaking switch lenses, but I don't know how to do that on the iPhone. So if you have any suggestions or ways to switch, let me know. 394 miles to empty. Local radio. Be right back with ya.